Okay, today in health class, we're going to go over to a website. Um, we're going to go to Google. You're going to type in search. We're going to look up nutrition.gov. I typed that in wrong. Don't do that when you're doing this. So, nutrition.gov. It is one of the main sources the U.S. Department of Agriculture has to kind of get out all the different informations on like food additives, exercise, all that kind of stuff to try and help the public in a way to um, better them in the future. And this website's pretty cool. It's got a bunch of different stuff. Maybe something you look at when you get a little older is recipes that are healthy. But specifically today, we're going to go over to the section down here. And you're going to have to scroll a little bit. In the topics, it's going to be called What's in Food. So in this section, you'll have to scroll a little bit. It'll tell you information as far as like all the different parts of food and what you need in them. So what we're going to do is for our assignment, you're gonna pick one of these different topics right here. You're gonna click on it and you're gonna do a little bit of research throughout what do I want to say through the links that they give you. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna need to give me a couple details. Specifically, I'm looking for why it's good for you and what happens if you take like too much of it or too little of it. And you get a pick out of any of these. So let's go into fats. When you get in here, it'll give you a couple different links. Well, okay, in the fat section, there's a lot more links than the other ones, but you don't have to go to all of them. You just have to look at a couple of them. And then when you click on any of them, it'll just take you to that website or the different article that they have. So it's a dietary fats. It'll give you all this, and then just be on a different website. So when we're doing this, I want you to do a paragraph just explaining exactly which one you looked at. So like if you went into fats or the proteins or anything, and then I will want you to explain exactly why they're bad for you or not bad for you, but what having too much of it can do to you and what having too little can do to you. I kind of want you to just look through all these topics here and just kind of explain and using your own words exactly the benefits of everything. This assignment will be due, let's say Monday during class or by class time. So if that's our 10:30 class, then it'll be due Monday at 10:30. But if you have any questions, just shoot me a little email. I will try to get back to you as quick as possible. But thank you, and hope to see you all in class on Monday.